Are you ready to bring the Marvel Universe into your next party? From Iron Man to Spider-Man, Marvel party decorations are the perfect way to make your celebration unforgettable. Start with bold colors, red, blue, and gold, to match the heroes. Add Marvel-themed balloon garlands, table covers, and backdrops featuring your favorite Avengers. DIY photo booths with comic-style props are always a hit. Think Captain America's shield, Thor's hammer, or Hulk's fist. Don't forget the cake table. Use action figure toppers or mini-city skylines to create that superhero vibe. Want to take it further? Create zones inspired by each hero, a Spider-Man web corner, an Iron Man tech station, or a Hulk smash snack table. With just a few creative touches, your Marvel party will feel like stepping straight into the MCU. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more party decoration ideas, and share it with your superhero squad. Thanks for watching, and Avengers, assemble!